Hi guys, I am your tech buff Rachna. We have conducted lots of DigiCare Fest at several colleges. I want to share my experience with you all. I have visited hundreds of universities, graduation colleges, where I met a lot of students. But one thing is common among all. Everybody wants to become successful at the earliest possible age, want to become millionaire right after college. So I started asking them how they going to do that. Most of them said that they would do their own business. I asked what your preparation is. 63% of them said nothing, but they will start planning after graduation. 26% of them had some idea but no roadmap to implement, and the remaining 11% thought it's too tough to become an entrepreneur. So they have to end up doing a job only. Today I am going to prove all of them wrong. Yes, wrong. Because I have struggled to start my own business which went from nothing to everything. So, if you are still in college, just sit back and listen. Because I believe once you passed out of college, half the opportunity is missed. College is the most resourceful opportunity in our life, whereas it is also the most ignorable resource among Indian students. But Americans have identified such opportunity, result to which they made Dell, Google, Apple, Microsoft, etc. right from college. Why? Because they had important skills during their college term to implement their idea. They knew how to use colleges and universities, infrastructure, support, manforce, talent, etc. They knew how to influence people to create their own network and make it work for them. Thanks to listen me guys. Actually it's really very useful information for all of us. So I hope you will implement on my idea. Thank you so much.